For more headlines now from around the world, let's head over to London and check in with Gwen Baumgardner. Gwen, you're talking about an Ebola outbreak in Central Africa. It's getting worse?
It is. Good morning, Anne-Marie. The Ebola crisis in the Democratic Republic of Congo continues, where the outbreak has reached record numbers, according to Doctors Without Borders. More than 2,200 people have died since the outbreak was declared in August 2018. A new report shows a resurgence of the virus in 5 cities since December, with 3,300 cases diagnosed in all. Now, despite large amounts of international aid and medical teams working in the area, it's the worst outbreak the country's ever recorded. In recent months, the containment efforts have been hindered because of ongoing civil unrest and violence. The spread of misinformation about the virus has also led to 300 health workers being attacked, 6 of whom died, and some aid agencies have removed staff altogether from the country. Now to Spain, where an 83-year-old billionaire has been sentenced to 18 months in jail for trying to smuggle a Picasso painting out of the country. Though the man owned the painting, it's considered a national treasure, and therefore it's not allowed to leave Spain without permission. The work, called Head of a Young Girl, was being transported by yacht before it was seized by French police. The man was fined $58 million, and the painting, the Spanish courts called unexportable, was awarded to the Spanish state. And finally to Japan, where congratulations are in order for politician Shinziro Koizumi. He made headlines this week after announcing his plans to take paternity leave, a rarity among Japanese men. This morning, he announced the birth of a baby boy and thus the start of his leave. Koizumi is being called a role model for taking 2 weeks off in a country where only 6% of working fathers actually take paternity leave. Now, Anne-Marie, this is a big story in Japan for 2 reasons. One, because it encourages other fathers to take time off, but also because Japan has seen record low fertility rates.
Yeah.
Perhaps this could turn that around.
Yeah, indeed. If it's just a little bit easier on parents, maybe, parents will consider more than one child or more children. Yeah, it's a really interesting story, Gwen. Thank you so much for the update.
Thanks, Anne-Marie.